What is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction means when a man has trouble getting hard or staying hard long enough during intimacy. In simple words, the body wants to respond, but it doesn't cooperate properly. This is not something to feel ashamed of. Millions of men experience this at some point in their lives. Many men say, "I was just tired, I was stressed, it was just one bad day." But when it happens again and again, it's no longer random. It's your body trying to tell you something. ED is not just a bedroom issue. It's often an early warning sign of deeper health problems. Let's look at those early signs. Sign 1: fewer or no morning erections. Morning erections are normal. They show that blood flow and hormones are working well. If they happen less often or stop completely, that's an early red flag. This usually means blood circulation problems or low testosterone. This is not about age. This is about health. Sign 2: erections take longer to happen. If erections used to be easy, but now take more time or effort, your nerves or blood vessels may not be responding properly. Many men blame stress or fatigue, but when it becomes common, it should not be ignored. Your body is asking for attention. Sign 3: trouble staying hard. Getting hard but losing it quickly is a very common early sign of ED. This can be caused by poor blood flow, diabetes, high blood pressure, or long-term stress. The penis is very sensitive to circulation issues. Problems show up here early. Sign 4: lower sexual desire. If your interest in sex drops noticeably, it's not just mood. It can be a sign of low testosterone. Low testosterone affects energy, mood, focus, and strength. Ignoring it can lead to bigger problems later. Sign 5: performance anxiety. If fear appears before intimacy, that mental pressure can quickly turn physical. The mind and body work together. What starts in the mind often shows up in the body. Why this matters? Erectile dysfunction is often linked to heart disease, diabetes, obesity, hormone problems, and chronic stress. ED is not the disease, it's the warning light on the dashboard. The good news is this: early-stage erectile dysfunction is often reversible. Simple lifestyle changes, stress control, and early awareness can make a big difference. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need it. Ignoring the signs won't make them go away. Listening early can change everything.